Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how to sign into Gardenscapes with Facebook. If you're looking for a way to sign into your Gardenscapes account with your Facebook account, then it's pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open your Gardenscapes application first on your preferred device and make sure that you're inside the main gameplay. After you're inside the main gameplay of your Gardenscapes game, simply go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on Save Progress. Now, in the expanded pop-up, you should be able to see a sign in with Facebook option. Simply go ahead and tap on sign in with Facebook. Also make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account as well. Simply tap on the continue button and it'll take you to facebook.com, where you'll need to enter your Facebook account's email or your phone number followed by your password. Once you're logged in, tap on the continue button and then you will be able to connect to Facebook with Gardenscapes. You'll also receive 1,000 coins reward after you connect with Facebook. And that is how you have successfully signed into Gardenscapes with Facebook within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon. So that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.